the Buddha taught about impermanence throughout his turning of the Dharma Wheel from start to finish. As mentioned in Kadampa's instructions, when the Buddha turned the first Dharma Wheel and taught the Four Noble Truths. At Sarnath, when the Buddha completed the third turning of the Dharma Wheel and was about to enter parinirvana, he taught the Nirvana Sutra and then said, "Bhikkhus, everything arises dependent on particular conditions." Then the Buddha loosened the upper part of his robe, allowing his disciples to see his, Tathagata's body, and said, "The birth of a Tathagata is like the bloom of the udumbara flower. You should always contemplate all conditioned things are impermanent." After giving these teachings, he went to the space between the twin spla trees and manifested parinirvana in the auspicious reclining posture.